Words
Question
who,
word
what,
who
where,
what
when,
where
why.
when
We use
why
who when we ask about
who
a
សម្រាប់
person.
សួ
We
រ
use
រក
what
ម
when
នុ
we
ស្ស
ask about a thing.
what
We
សម្រាប់
use
សួ
where
រ
when we
រ
ask
កវ
about
ត្ថុ
a place.
where
And we
សម្
use
រាប់
when
សួ
to
ររក
ask
ទី
about
កន្លែង
time. And
when
why
សម្រាប់
to
សួរ
ask
រក
about
ពេល
a
វេលា
reason for something.
why សម្រាប់សួររក
Blank
ហេតុ
is
ផល
on the table. The
លេ
answer
ខ
is
1
a pen.
គេដាក់
Which
is
is a
on the
thing.
table
For
a
things we
pen
use
គឺជា
what?
វត្ថុ
What
អញ្
is
ចឹង
on the
យើង
table?
ដាក់
A pen.
what
Blank teaches you
Number
English.
2
Mr. Jack. A
teach
person,
you
right?
English
And to ask
Mr.
about a person,
Jack
we use who.
គឺជាមនុស្ស
Who
អញ្ចឹង
teaches you
យើងប្រើ
English.
who
Do you
Number
live?
3
The answer is in Spain.
Do
Which is a
you
place,
live
and for
in
places we
Spain
use where.
គឺជា
So
ទី
where
កន្
do
លែង
you live?
យើងដាក់
Do
where
you go to work
Number
at
4
7
do
a.m.?
you
Time,
go to
and for
work
time we use
at
when.
7
When
a.m.
do you go to work?
ពេលវេលាយើង
Are you
ប្រើ
crying?
when
I've lost my key.
Are you
This
crying
is the reason for
I've
crying.
lost my
So
key
why are you
គឺជាហេតុ
crying?
ផលយើង
One
ប្រើ
mark here, one
why
mark, one. Now I got a full mark. What about you? What did you get? If you got a full mark, then your grammar is good. Thank you for watching. Words who, what, where, when, why. We use who when we ask about a person. We use what when we ask about a thing. We use where when we ask about a place. And we use when to ask about time. And why to ask about a reason for something. Blank is on the table. The answer is a pen, which is a thing. And for things we use what? What is on the table? A pen. Blank teaches you English. Mr. Jack. A person, right? And to ask about a person we use who. Who teaches you English? Do you live? The answer is in Spain, which is a place, and for places we use where. So where do you live? Do you go to work at 7 a.m.? Time, and for time we use when. When do you go to work? Are you crying? I've lost my key. This is the reason for crying. So why are you crying? One mark here, one mark, one. Now I got a full mark. What about you? What did you get? If you got a full mark, then your grammar is good. Thank you for watching.